Today, I welcome you all here. We will be continuing with the chapter Square and Square Roots. We will specifically be discussing about the procedure to calculate square root today. Square root of a number, and the symbol is represented in front of you. Square root of a number. As we all know, 4 square is 16 and square root of 16 is 4. Similarly, 12 squared is 144 and square root of 144 is 12, which implies squaring and finding square root are inverse operation of each other. Now, the next question arises that why is the square root called a square root? Why do it have the word square in it? I will explain you all. It has been originated from the geometrical figure square. Let us suppose I take a square of area 25 centimetric square. That's where the word square comes from. Basically, area of square is perfect square or a square number, and side of the square is square root of the given number. So that means side 5 centimeter is actually square root of 25. Similarly, if I'll take a square of area 81 centimeter square, the square root of 81 will be the side of the square. That means 9 centimeter. Square root by prime factorization. So yes, you guessed it correct. We will be calculating square root by using LCM method, where prime factors will be involved. Prime factorization means to reduce numbers to its prime factors like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Now, let's take out square root of 225 by prime factorization. Now, after factorization, we can see prime factors of 225 are 5, 5, 3 and 3. That means 2 5s and 2 3s. Therefore, the square root of 225 can be written as square root of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. We have to make groups of two same numbers. That is, 5 into 5 can be in one group and 3 multiplied by 3 can be in second group. We basically formed pairs of same numbers. Once we form pairs, to find the square root, all we have to do is pick one number from each pair and then multiply them. Therefore, the square root of 225 is equal to 15. Let's discuss one more example. How you will find square root of 324. Again, we will break 324 in its prime factors by LCM method. Therefore, 325 can be written as square root of 324 equal to square root of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Again, we will pick one number from each pair and multiply them. That means it's equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 18. Therefore, square root of 324 is 18. Children, you can also check whether the given number is perfect square or not by prime factorization method. Is 90 a perfect square? I can check using prime factorization. Since we can see that the number 2 is only one number present here whose pair is incomplete, and number 5 is also not complete in its pair. So that means the prime factors 2 and 5 do not occur in pairs. Therefore, 90 is not a perfect square. So children, you can easily check for the rest of the numbers as well. Thank you and have a nice day.